Hello everyone, this is SKYWORTH Global Marketing Department Training Group. This is Jerry. Sales plan in hand, sales goal in sight. Today, we're going to show you how to use the function of Shop Assistant. Now, let's go. First step, insert the hard drive into the TV. Second step, press DailyKey button or find Shop Assistant app, and you can see the Shop Assistant interface. Third step, you can change EPOP and demo video here. Let's first go to demo video changing. When you open demo video or picture, you can see import assets, then choose it. Then choose the USB flash device and choose the demo video that you want to play. Next, choose import files and take the video, then start it. Go and find it. Fourth step, let's go to EPOP changing. When you open EPOP, you can see import assets, then choose it. Then choose the USB flash device and choose the EPOP that you want to play. Next, choose import files and take the EPOP. Then start it. Go and find it. Okay, this is all the information for today. See you next time. Bye bye.